This is Knotted Rose, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a loop cast on, also known as a simple cast on. To do this, we're going to start with the slip knot. We have our cut end of our yarn over the front palm of our hand, and the working end of our yarn goes behind our pointer finger and our middle finger. And we wrap it around to create a loop. And then you just simply reach through and be sure you're grabbing the working end of your yarn. That means it goes to your ball or skein or hank of yarn, and pull it through, but don't pull it all the way through, because now you're going to tighten down your cut end of the yarn to create your slip knot. Now, if you've done it properly, you should be able to pull on the working end of your yarn to tighten and loosen your slip knot. Now, we'll get our yarn on our needle and tighten it down. Now, there are two variations of how to do the loop cast on or simple cast on. First, there's the one using your thumb. You simply hold your working yarn in your hand like this and take your thumb and go down and loop the yarn around. So now your yarn is around your thumb. You take your needle and slide it up your thumb and into the loop, and you've just cast on a stitch. Again, you take your thumb, go down, wrap the yarn around it, and then you slide your needle up your thumb into the loop, release your thumb from the loop, and tighten down to create your stitch. I'm going to do it now in regular speed that I use to cast on, just to show how, once you have gotten used to this method, you can do it quite quickly. All right. The other method of this cast on is to use your pointer finger. And now you hold your finger, the yarn, pretty much the same way, but instead of using your thumb, you take your finger and you go down, wrap around, creating another loop, pull the needle up the finger, pull the finger out of the loop, and tighten down. Down, around, needle up the finger, finger out of the loop, tighten down. Down, around. And see, they both create the exact same stitch pattern. Once it's knitted up, your cast on edge will look like this, with the bottom part slanting towards the left. Since I knitted this swatch up with size 11 needles instead of the size 8 needles that is recommended for this yarn, it is a very stretchy cast on. It has a lot of give. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will do the best to answer it. So please comment, like, and subscribe.